Hello and welcome to the B2 Tourist Status Application Self-Assessment video brought to you by ImmigrationEase.com, where affordable, professional quality immigration case preparation is made as easy as 1, 2, 3. Before we dive into the assessment, please click the pause button to read our disclaimer and then resume the video as soon as you're done. So, you're interested in applying to either extend your tourist status in the United States or to change status to B2 tourist status. Well, step one in the process is to find out if you qualify for this status in the first place, or for the extension, that is. So without further delay, let's begin the assessment. Question number 1. Are you interested in entering the U.S. temporarily, or actually remaining in the U.S. temporarily, for tourism, pleasure, or medical treatment? That's right, you can actually apply for medical treatment while you're here as a B2 tourist visitor. We'll get to that a little bit later, but let's just discuss the usual purpose for a B2 tourist visa, tourist status. That includes tourism, or if you're on a holiday, if you can show that you're just going to be visiting friends or relatives. If you're going to also be engaged in fraternal or social service activities, that is also acceptable. And if you're planning to participate as an amateur but receive no compensation in music or sporting events or contests, that is actually also acceptable. Note that if you want to take a short course of study which is recreational and not towards obtaining a degree, and the course is less than 18 hours per week, then you're also permitted to do this while you're in the United States on a tourist visa. So as an example, if you're taking a vacation in the United States, and during that vacation you would like to take a 2-day cooking class for your enjoyment, and there's no credit to be earned, then this would be permitted. So going back to the medical treatment, yes, if you show that you have a condition and you're going to get it treated, or you're planning to get some medical treatment in the United States, and you have made arrangements and you have the ability to cover the costs of the treatment, or the cost has been taken care of or will be taken care of, and you can prove that, then you can apply for medical treatment, this B2 status for medical treatment. The next question is, can you demonstrate that you have intent to return to your home country after your trip, or at least the continuation of your time in the United States? Evidence of this would include a job or business that you have in your home country that you're going to return to, so a letter from your employer, or proof that you have a business accounts, etc. That can help. Permanent address which you're going to return to, such as a rental or a deed to a property, that can also be used to show ties to your home country. And proof of a family unit that you're going to return to, whether you're returning to a spouse or you have kids and they're back home. Things like that can be used to show that you have intent to return to your home country. And there's other ideas that you may be able to use to show intent to return to your home country. These are just a few. Okay, so there's one other question. Do you have an unexpired I-94? You are required to have status in order to extend status, of course, or to change status. Think of yourself on a platform. If you're not on a platform, if you don't have status and you've gone out of status, then you are in almost all circumstances not permitted to apply to USCIS to ask to change status or extend your status as a B2 tourist. This completes the assessment. And if you've answered yes to all of the questions we went through, And assuming you have no grounds of inadmissibility, you should be eligible to apply to extend your tourist status or to get an extension, to change status. If you have concluded that you qualify and you wish to prepare the application, we recommend that you purchase our do-it-yourself toolkit. Since it's an audiovisual guide, that is, where we include or direct you to all of the required materials to prepare your application, you'll never miss a step or be confused. We are confident that you will find our kits to be the easiest to follow and most effective kits available on the market. However, if you are still unsure as to whether you may qualify for a B2 tourist status extension or change to tourist status, and you have more questions, then we recommend that you arrange a consultation with an immigration attorney by calling the phone number listed below.